Good morning to one and all present here. Today, I, Anvi Gupta, stand here to talk about a very common topic, heard many times but never talked about it. Yes, it's artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is no longer just the part of a science fiction. It has become the part of our daily life. From unlocking our phones through facial recognition to helping the doctors to diagnose the disease, the AI is everywhere. However, whenever a new technology comes, it comes with the opportunity as well as a fear. Many of the people believe that the AI is the greatest of achievement of our time, but at the same time, some fears that the AI will replace humans. But I think that AI is neither a boon nor a threat. It depends on how we use it. For example, a pencil can write a beautiful poem as well as a hateful message. The pencil is not responsible for it. The hand holding it is. Similarly, the AI has no intentions of its own. It reflects the intentions of the users using it. Yes, I agree that nowadays, whenever someone gives a brilliant answer, the first question is never, how do you know? The first question is, which AI did you use? But the artificial intelligence can also be very harmful if misused. It can spread fake messages to unhealthy comparisons. So, the real challenge is not to build the smarter machines, but to build the wiser humans. Yes, I agree that the technology can search faster than us, can write faster than us, can even calculate faster than us, but it can never ever replace the human's imagination and creativity. So let's not fear from it. Let's not fear from it. Let us prepare ourselves to lead it, to guide it, and to use it very wisely. Thank you, and have a wonderful day ahead.